B-roll until I wave in front of the camera. See the butterflies? They're not, actual butterflies, but the shape. And then there's like dew on the flowers. That is, just kind of makes it sparkle. It's actually pretty awesome that now people assume you're wearing headphones if you're talking to yourself and, probably on the phone, rather than just think you're a weirdo because you're talking to no one in particular. But I just think that's the stupidest fucking thing. Like, why does someone have to physically be there for it to be okay to be talking out loud? And why does it have to be an external person? Why can't you... I think I forgot to indicate I was coming to talk. Why can't you? Why is it only crazies who talk out loud? Is it just because they have lost the willingness or ability to hold it in, and now they are so fucking overwhelmed with how much is caught up in their system that they just can't modulate at pull themselves together in the way society expects them to? But the expectations we have of people in desperate situations is fucking hideous. We are so unkind to so many people in our society, just in the ways that we make them jump through hoops or make things difficult for them just because they can't do, quote unquote, what they're supposed to. So much fucking shame and pain, and the problem is it's just really more because nobody bothered to learn how they speak. Nobody bothered to learn how to teach them. And so these people just think they're stupid and not good at things and unworthy and do not have the ability to change. It's so crushing how prevalent that is. That perception of self. Definitely getting a lot of hydrangea, I love hydrangeas. And I mean, I know that it's the pH of the soil that creates the, oh, did I just find a, no, that creates the color. That's why there can be such a range on the same bush. And I'm also impressed that only some of them are dying off, rather than all of them. I keep marveling at that. Okay, I'll be quiet and breathe again. No one. Okay. Almost done with this hydrangea bush. Okay, back to talking. No, now for real. So, get the fuck outside. Back on that topic. Because not only is it good to move your body, not only is it cool, one way it's cool to be a pet sitter is you're getting paid to move your body. I did try WAG for a while, which is where you're just like walking dogs. It's kind of pre-Rover being in Portland. And I decided it just wasn't fucking worth it to just be there for like a little while. And a lot of people made me come over to meet them and the dog, even if I was only gonna like do it once. And so it was just a really big investment of time. And part of the reason I wanted to do it is because I just really needed to spend more time in bed or with my kid and recovering, and I needed access to resources, I needed help, and instead, can't even remember what I was talking about. I'll have to come in. Okay. All right, am I done with the hydrangea? Okay, let's see. Do I go like... Yeah, no, this isn't the angle, I guess. Okay. I'm gonna also improve my cues for editing purposes, both for my benefit and my editor. Okay. I'm gonna start back at the beginning. Oh, I keep forgetting too that actually, voice is visually notable when editing. So I don't have to visually indicate it. I can just jump between the quiet moments by seeing when the sound comes back up. I think I will still give a pretty clear indication of when I'm just making noise to make noise, or when I actually want to use what I'm saying, perhaps. Mostly for me to have to listen to. Let me find your phone. Having fun with you. Okay, good intentional again. Oh my god. These leaves, but I don't want to make a mess. I'm ready to spend a lot of energy getting those cleaned up. I wonder if these trees are healthy or if all this moss is actually bad for them. I love this street in that it's so quiet that very rarely is there a car. Okay, let's see, back up a little bit more so I can be in the street. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Oh man, okay, so you see how the tree looks like it's holding, okay, that's what I'm gonna do, a small whirlwind or something, or vapor, or magic. It's cool. There's like a perfect hole. Okay, now I think I'm gonna move the top. Also some water. Okay. So, original code is this. If it's just plain like ground, something like an interest, visually. But if my voice is showing up on the voice section, I'm going to give it a quick listen and see if it's just unintelligible rambling, or if it's actual ideas of talking. A lot of the ideas of talking are going to be coming on the rough draft side, so while I believe that quite a bit of it will be usable, particularly in the context of it being practice or rough draft, I guess I don't expect a lot of time in that. Okay, so this tree I'm just really interested in. Here, hold my glasses. Oops, sorry, that was a terrible sound, probably. I gotta put this tree, I wish it was taller or something. Maybe this leaves on the ground. Doesn't look like it. Okay. So what I'm seeing in these leaves is a really gorgeous amount of variation. Seeing greens, pinks, and yellows, and vibrant reds mixed with the yellow, which I think is kind of unusual. I'm sure you can see it better in that one. And the detail that's visible when the color changes and gets lighter is really cool. I used to press leaves and flowers into little books so that because I just thought they were pretty and I wanted to look at them later, and they changed a little bit when I pressed them, and so that was kind of fun too, to see how they would change based on what I'd done with them, or how long they were drying, or whatever. Like, there was a lot I could enjoy there. Let's see here. Alright, am I done with this part? I don't know. Okay, so here's another little bit. This is part of the idea I was just having. Okay, I'm gonna put my arm down. Toss my arm just to always holding things up. Alright, so when I'm shooting a lot of B-roll like this, sorry about that. When I'm shooting a lot of B-roll, the code, that's fine.